Formation of magnesium chloride MgCl2, magnesium atomic number 12, electronic configuration KLm282. So start with magnesium atom, electronic configuration 282. Magnesium loses 2 electrons so that it can get octet configuration. So magnesium by losing 2 electrons changes to magnesium ion Mg2+ and the configuration changes to 28. Chlorine atomic number 17, electronic configuration KLm287. Chlorine atom has 7 valence electrons. So start with chlorine atom 287. It should gain one more electron so that it can get octet configuration and change to chloride ion Cl-. The configuration changes to 288. Lewis representation, start with 1 magnesium atom and 2 chlorine atoms. Magnesium 2 valence electrons and chlorine 7 valence electrons. Each chlorine atom requires one more electron. So out of the 2 electrons present in magnesium, one will be transferred to one chlorine and the other will be transferred to the other chlorine atom. Since 2 electrons are lost by magnesium, it changes to Mg2+. And since each chlorine gains only one electron, it is Cl-, but 2 such ions are present, MgCl2. Thus, we have seen that in compounds like sodium chloride, magnesium oxide, etc., there is complete transfer of electrons from the metal atom to the non-metal atom. Therefore, compounds formed by the complete transfer of electrons from the metal atom to the non-metal atom can be called as ionic or electrovalent compounds. Since the compound formed is known as ionic compound, the bond present in these compounds can be called as ionic bond. So what is ionic bond? It is a bond formed by the complete transfer of electrons from the metal atom to the non-metal atom. In sodium chloride, we have seen that sodium atom loses an electron and changes to sodium ion. Similarly, the chlorine atom gains an electron and changes to chloride ion. So ionic bond can also be defined as the strong electrostatic force of attraction which holds the oppositely charged ions together. An ionic compound does not exist as molecules but as aggregates of oppositely charged ions. So if, for example, if we consider sodium chloride, the ions present are sodium cation Na+ and chloride anion Cl-. Next, consider sodium oxide Na2O. The ions present are sodium cation Na+ and oxide ion O2-. In sodium oxide, the ions present are sodium cation and oxide anion. In magnesium oxide, the ions present are magnesium ion Mg2+, magnesium cation Mg2+, and oxide anion O2-. In magnesium oxide, the ions present are magnesium ions and oxide ions. Now consider magnesium chloride. In magnesium chloride, the ions present are magnesium cation Mg2+ and chloride ion Cl-. Mg2+, that is magnesium cation, and chloride ion Cl-. Summary: an ionic compound is formed when a metal reacts with a non-metal atom. Metal atom loses electrons and thereby changes to cation. Non-metal atom gains electrons and thereby changes to anion. If one electron is lost, the cation will carry 1 unit of positive charge. If 2 electrons are lost, then 2 units of positive charge. If 1 electron is gained, the anion will carry 1 unit of negative charge. If 2 electrons are gained, then 2 units of negative charge. In Lewis representation, along with the symbol of the atom, only valence electrons are shown, either using dot or cross. 1 valence electron, 1 dot. Required number of electrons are transferred from the metal to non-metal atom. Compounds formed by the transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal are called ionic compounds. The electrostatic forces of attraction holds the oppositely charged ions together. The bond formed by the transfer of electrons from metal to non-metal is known as ionic bond. Ionic compounds contain positively charged ions and negatively charged ions instead of molecules.